Hello everyone, you are in Endurance Laser Lab. Today I want to show you how to make stamps on piece of wood using 3.5 watt endurance laser installed on a DIY machine. So first of all, we're going to use a software called Can Mini. We already run it, so let me just start and show you the process. So we need to set up proper settings, intensity and time of burning, 25 milliseconds and 100%. And the delay we use by default. As you can see, all the rest parameters are not actually changed. So I wrote love you, then we did an inversion and we invert the font and we invert the color. So it goes layer after layer, so it removes layers, and as you can see we already made some nice experiments done like this. So here I forgot to use reverse and intensity was too high, and yeah, I think this one is done pretty good. Okay, we already did some nice photo engravings yesterday. You probably know this guy, Pennywise, very beautiful woman, Charlie, and US President Donald Trump was done using 3.5 watt endurance laser. You can work continuously for 48 hours without stop. So it's very practical, and let me check it out how much time it'll take to get full. Yeah, you see it's not very fast. However, you can do something else while the laser and engraver is working, and just take your time and relax. I'm going to remove a piece of wood and we'll show you the result. Also, as you can see, I put these pieces down so to make sure that we're in focus. Oh wow, it's getting foggy here. As you can see, we installed here a pretty big fan, more powerful than usual. It allows to work continuously for an extended period of time. As you can see, it looks pretty good. We just remove the piece of wood, so laser just removes probably 1 millimeter. Okay, what do we have here? Yeah, I'm going to stop in a while just to show you the final result. So a Can Mini is very useful and easy to use software. You can download the software on our website endurancelasers.com and go to download center. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I think that's enough. Let me stop. Okay, and here is a piece of wood. Okay, we need to clean it up. As you can see, edges are very accurate, and now you know how to do it yourself. I hope that you like this video. Please share it with your friends, subscribe on our channel, and visit endurancelasers.com. Bye bye.